In the name of God, today I'm going to talk to you about digestive system. Here we discuss the theory part of this subject and we'll learn more details on the exact structure of the different parts of this system in the practical part. I think you're already familiar with this topic. The digestive system is a continuous tube that runs from the mouth to the anus. From the mouth to the anus. Anus is here and mouth here. Okay? In the other word, it's organs that take in food and liquids and break them down into substances that the body can use for energy, growth, and tissue repair. This system has three names: eliminatory canal, digestive system, and gastrointestinal tract. Digestive system means a system related to the process of digestion. GI or gastrointestinal canal refers the two main organs of this system. It means gastric and intestine. Eliminatory canal is a canal related to nourishment and sustenance. Okay, let's have a definition of digestion. It's breakdown of the ingested food in the eliminatory canal into substances that can be used and absorbed by the body. You can see here 5 phases or 5 steps for this process, for the process of digestion: ingestion, mechanical and chemical digestion, absorption, and elimination. Let's have a simple definition of each. Ingestion. What is ingestion? Simple ingestion is eating any food or liquid, but to be more precise, to swallowing or absorbing any substance into the body by the mouth is ingestion. Chemical and mechanical digestion are two methods that your body uses to break down foods. Please pay attention. The mouth is the beginning of both. Mechanical digestion is a physical process in which food is broken into smaller pieces without any changing in chemical structure. It begins with your first bite of food and continues as you chew food with your teeth into smaller pieces. It continues in the stomach. So it starts in the mouth and continues in the stomach. Let's continue with the digestion chemically. Chemical digestion, you can see here, and written enzymes. Chemical digestion involves the secretion of enzymes throughout your digestive tract. What do these enzymes do? These enzymes break the chemical bonds. You know the roles of these bonds is to hold material particles together, such as food material. So, breaking these bonds allows food to be broken down into smaller and digestible parts. Okay? And about absorption. Absorption is pretty significant step because the body has invested a lot in food to reach this step. It means the body has consumed a lot of energy for all the previous steps. So it's very important, crucial, and vital that the body must absorb the maximum amount of useful and necessary substance. Okay, what is definition of absorption? The simple molecules that result from chemical digestion pass through cell membranes of the lining in the small intestine into the blood and lymph capillary. This process is called absorption. It refers to the movement of nutrition, water, and electrolyte from the lumen of small intestine into the cell, then into the blood. So make note, the first place for food molecules in this small intestine is lumen. Second place is cells, and last second or third place is blood. And here is last phase, elimination. About elimination, we can say the food molecules that can be digested or can be absorbed need to be eliminated from the body. So, indigestible waste removed from the body through the anus in the form of the feces. Okay? And at the end of this slide, we need to have an overview of canal movement. The organs of this canal are movable. The food moves through the gastrointestinal tract by the process called peristalsis. What is peristalsis? It's the involuntary, pay attention, it's involuntary constriction and relaxation of the muscles. Muscles of where? Muscles of the intestine or another canal. It creates wave-like movements. For what? For push the contents of the canal forward. So listen here. Listen to me. The large and hollow organs of your gastrointestinal tract contain a layer of muscle that enables their walls to move. Why this movement is important? Because the movement pushes food and liquid through your gastrointestinal tract and mixes the contents within each organ. Okay. Digestive system organization. Gastrointestinal tract or digestive system is made up of two parts. The one part of is a pathway for food, and another is accessory organs. About accessory organs we will talk later, but it's important here. The structure of food pathway include of mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum.